In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Webull Screener for day trading. Open the Webull desktop app and head to the screener in the toolbar. This is where you'll narrow the entire market down to a focused list of tradable candidates. Think of the screener as your pre-trade filter. It helps you quickly surface stocks that match the conditions you care about for intraday moves. Start with the basic filters. Begin by setting a price range. A common day trading window is between $1 and $20. This range tends to capture names that move enough to present opportunities without getting into extremely illiquid penny territory. Set your minimum to around 1 and your maximum to about 20. If you prefer higher-priced movers, you can widen that upper bound, but the idea is to keep your list aligned with your strategy and account size. Next, add a filter for today's percent change. Choose a positive intraday move, typically greater than 2 to 5%. This helps you focus on stocks already in motion, which is crucial for day trading. Big moves can mean momentum and attention from other traders, but choosing a moderate threshold helps avoid names that have already made an extreme move and may be stretched. Now add volume, today. Set it above 300,000 shares. Liquidity is what lets you get in and out with tighter spreads and less slippage. If your approach relies on very quick entries and exits, consider using even higher minimum volume during peak hours. The key is to ensure there's enough trading activity to support your plan. If you'd like to refine further with technical context, add optional indicators. Use RSI to spot potential reversals. Setting RSI below 30 flags oversold conditions where a bounce could develop. This doesn't guarantee a turn, but it highlights areas where a reversal setup might be forming. For momentum-focused traders, add moving average crosses or a MACD golden cross if the screener includes them. These signals point to shifts in trend and can help you focus on names where buyers may be gaining control. Finally, limit by market or exchange if you want to stick with major U.S. venues. Include NASDAQ, NYSE, and MX. This keeps your results on established exchanges, which typically offer better liquidity and more reliable data than off-exchange listings. That's the core setup. Find the screener, apply a focused price range, require positive percent change, demand sufficient volume, optionally refine with RSI or crossover signals, and include major exchanges. Use this as a foundation, then fine-tune the thresholds to match your risk tolerance and the day's market conditions.